lost my way a million times, thought I'd fade away. But every scar reminds me why I'm here today. Life's a road of broken lights and second chances. Hope is stronger than the circumstances. Every shadow, every tear led me to this moment here. Now I feel it crystal clear. The dream is getting near. Anything is possible when you keep the faith alive. Even when you're falling down, you'll find a way to rise. The heart can move a mountain if you dare to try. Anything is possible, just reach for the sky. Don't give up when the world says no. Every ending helps you grow. Close your eyes and let it show. You're unstoppable, you know. Anything is possible. Believe it in your soul. The broken pieces lead you home. That's how we grow. The heart can move a mountain if you dare to try. Anything is possible. The limit's the sky.